The accused Sia Goyal and Chetan Chaudhary in the Ketan Agarwal murder case are being produced before the Vadgaon court today as their police custody comes to an end. Police are expected to seek an extension of their remand and also request permission to conduct polygraph tests on both accused. Investigators have also conducted several hours of questioning, carried out a crime scene recreation in the presence of the accused, and seized multiple digital pieces of evidence. I want to go back to my colleague Shweta Verma. Now, Shweta, the question here is that this polygraph test can only be conducted if they agree to it. So, what is the latest that you're picking up?
Well, that's right, Vishali. In fact, for the polygraph test, we all understand that it's a formal procedure, and the consent is very important here of the accused in this particular case. So, as per the advocate of Sia Goyal, that's Vipul Dushing, he stated that the police has taken the consent of his client, that is Sia Goyal, and also the court permission is required, that was taken. So, it is again going to be, very important ground for Pune Rural Police also to produce before the court that the polygraph test is pending, and they would like to proceed with the polygraph test on both the alleged accused, that's Sia Goyal and Chetan Chaudhary in this case. So clearly we understand that police has collected substantial circumstantial evidences as well as the digital evidences. However, remember, very importantly, there are no eyewitnesses in the case that they have seen, or there are no CCTV cameras that who in fact has seen the crime was being committed by these both alleged accused. So clearly we understand that now it's a time where there have been multiple times where statements were being changed by Sia as well as by Chetan. This time a stricter version of the statement recording would be done in the form of lie detector test, that is also formally called as a polygraph test.
All right, Shweta, I'm getting a breaking input. I will come back to you. Now, viewers, a new development.